woke up this morning, my hand was gone. Kisa, okay, baby? And these dogs, we just went for a walk, we're all sweaty. I got the carpal tunnel on my elbow, and this morning my hand was killing me. I couldn't lift anything. So it might only last for a day or two, but yeah, this is the way it is. So, but I got the dogs walked. So another day in the Galia house, and I'm dealing with some other injuries. But the point is, that's what life's all about. You're dealing with things, and you have to move on. So I tell everybody, just move on, work around it. I had an old brace, I put it on, and I'm dealing with it. So.